Couple months ago, we made a video on Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake and what it possibly might have in store for us. And now, with Intel's official announcement, things are really turning out exactly the way it was predicted. The new generation of Intel chip, codenamed Alder Lake, will certainly have DDR5 RAM compatibility, PCI Express 5.0, and a 2-core micro architecture. It's a big step up in the computer arena as we're about to hop into the next gen of computing. In this video, we will be running a final rundown of the 12th Gen Alder Lake processor and all the goodies that we're about to experience upon its release this week. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alder Lake will come in a combination of performance and efficiency core, which is a completely new composition for Intel. The performance core, which is labeled as P-Cores, is the upgraded variation of its predecessors. It has plenty of compatibility options such as hyper-threading support, dedicated 1.25 MB of L2 cache, and swift single-core performance. For comparison, Alder Lake is 28% faster than its 10th Gen Comet Lake S predecessors, and more than double what Rocket Lake could achieve from single-threaded frequency performance. On the other hand, the efficiency cores are also going by the name of E-cores, and they're there for heavily threaded workloads to effectively manage background tasks. Combined, they offer strong single and multi-threaded performance to streamline your daily computing needs. Intel will be releasing 3 variations of the Alder Lake chip for desktop, laptop, and mobile devices. The desktop variant will be utilizing the latest LGA 1700 socket, while the mobile variant is a BGA Type 3 and the ultra-mobile variant is a BGA Type 4 HDI architecture. As the processors require a completely new socket, they will also need a new chipset to preserve compatibility. Brands such as ROG are releasing Z690 motherboards that are purpose-built for the 12th Gen Alder Lake processor. The Z690 is a pretty big deal in terms of connectivity and performance. For starters, it brings along 12 PCIe 4.0 and 16 PCIe 3.0 lanes. It also integrates a much faster version of Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 6E, and a 2.5 Gbps Ethernet port. For USB, we are looking at USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports with a hyperfast 20 Gbps of speed. And lastly, it has support for standalone Thunderbolt 4 controllers. The official release of the Alder Lake CPU marks the 4th of November this year, and pre-order has already begun on popular sites such as Newegg and B&H Photo Video. We will be back again with more 12th Gen updates as soon as it releases. So that was all about the Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.